So now we'll be seeing about the HTML comments. So HTML comments are not displayed in the browser, but they can help document your HTML source code. Like it can increase the readability of your document. So we'll just see how can you add this HTML comment tags in your document. You can add comments in your HTML source by using the syntax. I'll show you. So let's go here and you can just uh, use this with two hyphens and give write your comments. So whatever the comment it might be, let me just write the comment. This is image tag example, and then let's close this similarly. So in this way you can add comments to your HTML source code. And notice that there is an exclamation point in the start tag but not in the end tag. So just notice that. So this is for starting of the comment, this is the ending of the comment, and the comments are not displayed by the browser, but as I have told you they'll be helpful for to document your HTML source code. So with the comments you can even place this notifications and reminders on your HTML code. Like you can just say if you are using this for paragraph. So let's go here, and here let's say I want to use it for some paragraph to say that this is the paragraph, or let's say this is in heading one. So I can uh, just add, like if I want to remind myself, like I have something to add here after this headings, and I will do that later, but for my remembrance I can just use this comments like this. In the comments I'll just say that remember remember to add more information here, or else like whatever it is, like specifically if there is something that I have to do it here at the end, I'll just add it here through comments. So comments are also great for debugging HTML because you can comment out the HTML lines of code one at a time to search the errors. Like you can just, if you have some if you get some error with the HTML and you don't know where the error is, so if you have some specific places where you think the error might have been occurred, so you can just comment out that particular line or that particular element, and you can check for like whether you're getting an error or not. So in this way it will be more useful for you to debug the errors. And so in this way you can use the comments in your HTML document.